How to recover deleted photos and videos fast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Gallery app. Now here, so if you want to recover your deleted photos and videos, so click on menu. So after click on menu, click on trash. So after click on trash, you will see your deleted photos and videos is here. So if you want to recover your photos and videos, so click on this select option. So after click on select, so if you want to restore your deleted photos, so you will see. After selecting, click on restore. After click on restore, you will see your deleted photos and videos move to in your folder. So after the process, go back and click on folder. You will see photos and videos here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can recover deleted photos and videos fast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.